Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry about the music in the background. Sorry. Welcome back to another video. Today we have a Hot Wheels track. Yes, indeed, we have a Hot Wheels track. We are going to be messing about with this Hot Wheels track, and yeah, there's three combinations. Yes, let's get into this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. But yeah, yeet. We can get into this video, and the car that we have is this Hot Wheels car. It's not an amazing car, but yeah. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into this. Okay, setting my camera up is a bit hard because I realise if I do it one way, yeah, camera goes a bit funny. That's what happened in my last Lego video. If you didn't see that, then go back, check out my channel. That's the thing. I need something there. Oh, this is hard. I know I don't have my tripod today. Hopefully you can see. Got my car. Now there's bits back there. That's not a good setup. Hold on. Sorry guys. I'm gonna have to move you. Can you see? Oh, that's perfect. Hold on, what about here? Let's put you. Hold on. I think I've got a good idea. Sorry about this. I just need to set it up. Set this camera up. Oh my gosh. Need a Lego piece here. These were the Legos that we used last video, so click back at that video. Hope you enjoyed that video as well that I done yesterday. Hope you can see this. Sorry if I'm getting bad camera angles. Just yes. 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 No. I just heard a knock, knock, knock. Can you see me all the way back here? Yes, you can as well. That is good. Okay, so we've got our car. Hope you enjoy this video, and let's see if you can get over. That's some weird music. I hope I don't get copyrighted in this video. Okay, that just flew. Wow, that was like a bird in the sky that crash landed into a plane. Well, not landed, just crashed into a plane. Do you know what? If we master every single one of these tracks, then you have to leave a like. Anyway, just leave a like on the video because barely anyone likes my videos. So I need some likes. I need some likes. But don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I think we're gonna start off with this track. Then we're gonna go to boring track. Then we're gonna go to flat loop-de-loop. Then we're gonna go for something weird and tall, which is tall. Then we're going for our own design. Hope you enjoy the last one. So stay tuned. Stay tuned for that video. Put part of the video. I might do this because I just want to check if my camera rolls. Oh, we actually mastered that. Well, I guess on to the next thing. Okay, wow. Do you know what? Let's give that another try, but completely flat. Okay, that was easy peasy, ham and cheesy. That was easy, way too easy. Now we're going for a loop-de-loop. If you're wondering where the loop-de-loop is, I've got it right here. I've already built it. Okay, what does that track look like? Okay. Hope you guys will be able to see. Oh, that's better. Okay. Oh. This might be a hard video to film. I think we should leave this thing out, but let's put the loop-de-loop on. Quick and easy to change. Yeah, lol, sorry if you can't see. Hang on. Let's move the camera more over. Work. Got some camera problems with the camera. There maybe. Hold on, what if I can push this back? That would be helpful. Sorry. Sorry if the camera angles are bad in this video. I mean, I really don't know what is the best camera angle. I really want you guys to see the loop-de-loop. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so you guys can see the loop-de-loop. Okay, let's see how it does through the loop-de-loop. Not great. Can you see the car? You guys, if you can, then leave a like. If you can't, then subscribe. Oh no, if you can't leave a like, if you can subscribe. No, you guys can't see the car poop. No, you can't see the car at all. Ah, that's poo. You know, I'm just gonna hold it. I'll hold it. Oh, we actually made that. We actually made that. Did you guys see that? Because if you did, hold on. Can you see it from there? Oh, from... Okay, I think you guys could see that. If you couldn't, then I'll do that again. I'll try to do that again. Our contestant failed on the loop-de-loop. No, we failed on the loop-de-loop. Contestant also failed on the loop-de-loop. So you guys can't see the loop-de-loop. The other contestant just flew off the track. Okay, yeah. Now let's go for the big dude. Oh, this is hard work all by myself. My dad's just tidying up. Wait, is that a perfect angle? Okay, so for this track builder part, hold on. hold it like that. So the next track builder part is quite hard actually. Let's build it. So loop-de-loop's good. I don't actually need this. That goes back. That, there we go. That comes out, goes in to there. That comes out, that goes there. Okay, there we go. That goes in there. I don't. We have built. Oh, whoops. We have built the best track builder on Earth. Yes, this is the best track builder on Earth. It is. Do you know this? I believe that is the best track builder on Earth. It is epic. Absolutely epic. Oh. Hold on. I hope I don't get copyrighted by this music. Can you even see the... No, I don't... No, you can't. That goes all the way up. Hold on. Think this might work. Oh, that would be so cool. Oh, if I could just do that. Is there anything? Oh! Oh, hold on. I think that might work. What can you see? Hold on. Oh, hold on. Oh, poop. Okay. It's always so hard to get the best angles. I'm just using my phone. This is my phone. No, you guys can't see anything. Absolutely nothing. Oh! I've never thought of that idea. No. This is so hard. Oh, come on. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Actually, to be honest, I can just hold it. So, I hope you guys can see that car. Did not make the loop-de-loop. It just crashed the car. Oh, poo. Nope. Oh, this car cannot do it. Hold on, what about? Nope. This track is hard. Nope. Do you know what? I think this is a hard track. just made a good track. An epic track. A really good track. An awesome track. The best track ever. Jump. We, ladies and gentlemen, have just made a jump. Now that's epic. We don't need this. I can leave that word. I don't care. We need that. We have got the best jump ever. This is the best jump in Hot Wheels history. And also you can get this off Amazon. Oh my god, that was the best jump ever. That was the best jump ever. Sorry if I can get a magnet camera on because this is backwards. Oh, it just flew. That barely even touched the track. Oh, that was legendary. That was absolute legendary. Okay. Okay. That was legendary. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you can like if you want to see any more Hot Wheels videos, and subscribe if you don't. Actually, no, like if you don't want to see any more Hot Wheels videos. I know that's rubbish. And subscribe if you do. That makes no sense. It's normally the dislike that makes no more of Hot Wheels videos. Next time I'll have the tripod. Yes, definitely. I'll try and have. What is happening? I'm just trying to put you away. Better. Good boy. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. And like and subscribe to the channel. Notification bell. And yay! Yay.